Okay, so this is a Kia Cerato 2013 or Kia Forte if you live in the US, and it has a bit of an issue inside the door. Um, the window mechanism, the window regulator if you call it, this gets wobbly and all over the place. So the window, what would happen with the window is it doesn't go up straight. It would go up in an angle and get out of track in here. Like the window would come over here and won't go up, or would go up very poorly. This is not ideal fix. You would rather replace the entire mechanism. And what I did in here is just I popped all these and replaced it with a screw and nut, so I could adjust. If it depends on how much wobble I have in here. This is a track behind. I'm going to show you now. So what you can do is lower this down so the window, instead of going up this way, it would go up straight down. So we lower these down, make a bit of slice in here, a bit of slice in here, so you can adjust for it, and that should be it.